So I'm just trying to pick where I go for Christmas and New Year's. So I've got a bunch of names, countries I want to go to. So Spain, Algiers, Morocco, Namibia, Cape Town, Israel, Austria, Sicily, Malta, Hong Kong, Philippines, Tasmania, Germany, Poland, Russia, Alaska, Singapore, Vietnam, Cambodia, France, Laos, Malaysia, Naples, Istanbul, Denmark. So I'm just going to cut them up, draw them in my trusty slouch hat. Good old 2-cav. It's one of my originals hats. Anyway, let me cut them up and we'll do the big draw. Exciting. I really want to go to Spain or Morocco. See how that goes. Be a bad Christmas, eh? Or France. Austria, have a white Christmas. Okay, we're all cut up. Put them in the hat. Right, let's draw. Give them a good mix. Righto, where am I going? Oh. Woohoo! I'm going to Singapore. See you in Singapore. So just booked my flight. I had to quickly check my passport. I've still got 2 years left on it. Anyway, Qantas. From there, I'll do another draw, see where I'm going next. Yeah, exciting. I'm gonna, if anything you want me to see or do in Singapore, leave a comment below and I'll do some videoing for you and yeah, show you all about my trip. Pretty excited. First time I've flown. Travelled outside Australia in 3 years. I usually go twice a year somewhere. Anyway, very excited and let's get the show on the road. Oh yeah.